Selling on Amazon comes with a beautiful array of fees that every FBA seller needs to understand. While easy access to Amazon's massive customer base is appealing, you need to factor in these various costs to determine if selling on Amazon will actually be profitable for your business.
Show me the money.
In this video, I'll walk you through the main types of Amazon fees, including fulfillment fees, selling fees, optional services like advertising and product prep, and other charges like long-term storage and returns processing. I'll break down the fee structures and provide real examples so you can estimate your potential costs. Forecasting expenses correctly will make sure you price your products profitably and make smart decisions about your Amazon business. Whether you're just starting out or looking to optimize an existing operation, this video equips you with the knowledge needed to master Amazon FBA fees. So let's jump into it with me first telling you who I am in 45 seconds and how we can help you scale your Amazon business. Okay, so real quick, if you don't know me, my name is Ian Smith and I own an Amazon creative agency called Evolve Media Agency. At EMA, we completely revamp Amazon listings by doing top-tier product photo and video shoots that greatly increase PPC ad performance by simply boosting the product detail page's conversion rate. We write listing copy, create user-generated content, and create video ads for Amazon PPC and TikTok. We also build out brand story sections, Amazon storefronts, and create off-Amazon marketing funnels. If you want free access to our Amazon listing checklist, go to amzchecklist.com, and to view our pricing portfolio and get a free listing audit, then book a free consulting call by going to emaamz.com. So now let's carry on with the video. All right, so the first fee that I'm going to be talking about is the most obvious fee, the one that you probably already thought of, which is fulfillment fees, right? Fulfillment fees are the charges you incur for Amazon's pick, pack, and ship services. They are a flat cost based on the size and weight of your product, with prices varying depending on the season. According to Amazon, standard size items like 18-inch by 14-inch by 8-inch or less and weighing 20 pounds or less can range from $2.50 to $5.42 per unit for fulfillment fees. Oversized items can range from $8.26 to $137 per unit, plus a 38 cents per pound above the first 2 pounds.
That's how it's done.
So oversized items can get pretty costly for the shipping and fulfillment fees. Moving on to the second fee you need to know about, which is also a pretty obvious one, which is the professional seller subscription. If you're planning on selling more than 40 items on Amazon per month, you might consider becoming a professional seller. This comes with a $39.99 monthly subscription fee, but it waives the 99 cents per item fee charged to individual sellers. This option is beneficial for sellers with high volume of sales, providing access to additional tools like bulk selling and order reports. Amazon charges selling fees for the privilege of selling your product to their customer base and using their platform. These fees vary depending on your product's category, typically ranging between 6% to 45%, with an average around 15%. For instance, Amazon charges a 15% referral fee on computers, while books have a 15% fee but also carry a $1.80 closing fee. Fee number 4, Amazon PPC advertising costs. If you opt to advertise your products on Amazon, you'll need to account for pay per click, or PPC, advertising costs. The cost per click can range anywhere from a few cents to a few dollars, with an average cost per click, CPC, of 71 cents according to 2021 data from Jungle Scout. While this is an additional cost, remember the goal of PPC advertising is to increase visibility and drive more sales, ultimately improving your bottom line. Also, running PPC ads can help with your organic rankings, and sometimes you won't even get any sales at all unless you run PPC ads. So sometimes you kind of have to. I know I say it's optional, but sometimes you kind of have to run PPC ads. Amazon fee number 5, long-term storage fees. Amazon imposes long-term storage fees for products that remain in their fulfillment centers for over 365 days. The intent is to encourage sellers to manage their inventory efficiently and avoid excessive storage durations. As of 2021, the long-term storage fee is $6.90 per cubic foot or 15 cents per unit per month, whichever is greater. Fee number 6, removal order fees. If you decide to remove your inventory from Amazon's fulfillment centers, you will incur a removal order fee. The cost of this service depends on the size and weight of the item, with fees ranging from 25 cents to $2 per standard size item and 60 cents to $22 per oversized item. Amazon fee number 7, returns processing fees. If a customer returns an item, Amazon will charge a returns processing fee. This fee is equal to the original fulfillment fee for most product categories if Amazon offers free return shipping for your product category. Amazon fee number 8, stock removal fees. If your stock needs to be removed from an Amazon warehouse for any reason, there may be a fee associated with this. This could occur if your product is not selling and you want to avoid long-term storage fees, or if you want to inspect your inventory. Amazon fee number 9, additional services. Certain optional services such as labeling, which could be 30 cents per unit, prep services, which could range anywhere from 50 cents to $1.50 per unit, or special handling, which could be 40 cents per unit for bagging and $3 per unit for bubble wrap, may incur additional fees. These fees can vary by product category and may be subject to change. Sellers should refer to Amazon's fee schedule for the most accurate information, but remember, the goal is to manage these costs effectively to maximize your profits on Amazon as an Amazon FBA seller. So don't let all these fees make you want to stop and quit and get out of Amazon or not even approach it. You know, you can navigate these fees, you can put them into your costs, bump up your price a little bit more, but ultimately you need to figure out how to be profitable on Amazon with your pricing, with your PPC strategy, with managing all these fees. You know, get your cost of goods as low as you can, and sometimes in the initial launch phases, don't worry about your cost of goods so much because you're just trying to do proof of concept type stuff and just see if somebody's actually going to buy this product. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you learned something new. If you want to book a free consulting call with me and get a free Amazon listing checklist, go to emaamz.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.